Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Today we will be going over how to install LUTs in Final Cut Pro. If you find this video helpful, feel free to subscribe. But I suppose before we begin, I'll give a small rundown of what LUTs are. LUTs stand for Lookup Table. And basically, think of LUTs as like color correction, color balancing, all that stuff. I know that probably someone that could go more into detail about it, but that's the basic consensus of what a LUT is. Now, this is going to be like simple way to put a LUT in. Okay, so for starters, what you want to do is in down here in effects, if you don't have this open, just click this here to open effects. Now you can search for it down here in search, but really just go to color under video, and then custom LUT is actually a effect option in Final Cut Pro. All you want to do is drag it over here, okay? Now, once you drag it over here, you go up to the inspector. If the inspector isn't visible to you, just click this to show the inspector, and then it will show your effect, custom LUT. Now, it would say none here. All you want to do is click here, and there is a trick here. As you see, I already have some LUTs installed, and those will be there permanently. Now, you can hit choose custom LUT, and if you choose custom LUT, what will happen is that it will let you pick a LUT from wherever you downloaded your LUT, be it the download folder, be it if you saved it to documents, wherever you got your LUT from. There are a lot of free LUTs online that you can get. So wherever you got that from, you just navigate to the folder and insert it. And there you go. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to hit reveal in Finder because this is more of a, let's say you have a few LUTs you use in every video. Well, you want to use it in multiple videos. Hit reveal in Finder, and it will reveal a folder called custom LUTs. It will automatically take you in. Now, I have some LUTs already. That's why all these are here for me. But if you didn't have any LUTs, it would be empty for you. All you do is you can drag and drop them regularly without anything, without any folder. If you want, you can just drag the LUTs here and bada bing, bada boom, there you go. But what you can also do is create a new folder, name it whatever you want, then put the LUTs in there so you have them in different categories. And then after you're finished doing that, dragging and dropping or creating new folders, whatever, everything you have ready to go, you just need to exit out of there, go to your LUT option. You can restart Final Cut Pro if it's not working right after that, but once you restart, go to your custom LUT option and then click on your LUT. It should be in this menu, and it will be in this menu as long as it's in that folder that we just made. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to tone it down a little bit, right there. And then there we go with that. Now, this is a bonus tip, but in order to take advantage of this tip, you will have to have created a adjustment layer. Now, I have a tutorial on how to create an adjustment layer. I'll put it in the link in the description below. Feel free to check it out. But basically, once you create the adjustment layer, navigate to the adjustment layer, drag it on your clip, right? Make it as long as you need it to be. And then what we're going to do is drag the custom LUT effect to the adjustment clip. Yeah, so that way the LUT is applied on the adjustment clip and not the main clip. So we can press V as in Victor to disable, enable, so we can see a before, after. If we don't like it, we can just delete it and we won't have to worry about, it over and over again on multiple of the same. Now that's just a bonus tip because, sometimes you want to see before and after, and this is definitely the easiest way. Okay, I'm going to end it here. Hopefully this has helped you guys in some way, shape, or form. And I will catch you guys in the future. Later.